Hey there, science lovers. Today I want to talk about how NASA's amazing research has changed our world. Since it started in 1958, NASA isn't just about exploring space. It's also a hub for new ideas in science, technology, health, and the environment. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about technology and new ideas. Ever use GPS on your phone? Well, that's thanks to NASA. They made satellite-based location technology super accurate, down to less than a meter. This technology is used everywhere, from the maps on your phone to systems that help with disasters. And that comfy memory foam mattress? Yep, that's also from NASA's research on heat-resistant and lightweight materials. It was first made for space missions, but now this material is everywhere, in helmets, firefighter gear, and even your mattress. Then there's the tiny camera in your phone. That all started with NASA making super small cameras for satellite observation. These advanced cameras are now in our phones, webcams, and even medical tools like endoscopes. Now let's talk about science and the environment. NASA satellites like Terra, Aqua, and Suomi NPP keep an eye on global temperatures, CO2 levels, polar ice, and deforestation. This data is really important for understanding climate change and making big decisions for the world. NASA's findings about the melting ice in Greenland and Antarctica and rising sea levels really opened our eyes. Also, NASA's advanced atmospheric models like GOS-5 help predict weather patterns, storms, and air quality. Agencies all over the world, including NOAA and WMO, rely on this data. Health and medicine, NASA plays a part here too. Signal processing techniques from space missions have made MRI and CAT scan technology better, so medical images are more accurate. NASA also developed important sensors to monitor premature babies, life-saving technology adapted from their space missions. What about clean water? NASA's water filtration system, which uses silver ions, was designed for the International Space Station. Now, this system is used to provide clean water in crisis areas in Africa and other places. When it comes to transportation and safety, NASA's impact is huge. They developed anti-turbulence systems and ice detectors for commercial planes, and their Auto-G CAS system has saved many fighter pilots' lives. This technology is now being adapted for commercial use. Ever heard of ABS brakes? The idea for them was first developed by NASA for safe space shuttle landings, and now it's a standard feature in modern vehicles. Don't forget NASA's global social impact either. Their satellite technology helps organizations like UNICEF, WHO, and FAO keep track of hunger, droughts, and infectious diseases. NASA's disasters program provides quick response data for earthquakes, tsunamis, and wildfires, helping disaster relief efforts around the world. They also inspire the next generation, Through educational programs, robotics competitions, and STEM initiatives, NASA is helping to train future scientists and engineers. A real example of their impact is the air purification system developed for the space station. This system is so advanced, it can even help provide clean water, and now it's being used in Bangladesh and Sudan for thousands of families. Of course, there are challenges too. The high cost of research, unequal access to technology around the world, and the possibility of technology being used for military purposes are serious concerns. But the good, it's huge. In short, NASA's research doesn't just take us to space, but it has also greatly changed our daily lives. From GPS and healthcare to climate science and disaster response, NASA is an example of how science and exploration can be the foundation for global change. Thanks for watching. If you like this discussion about NASA's world-changing research, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cool science content. See you next time. Keep exploring and keep exploring technology development.